Traders, hello, happy Monday. I think it should be Monday for most. Just depends on when you watch this. It might still be Sunday. So XXII, I missed this run up. When did it move? It moved on the Friday. Yeah, look, I was in bed. That would have been 2:50 in the morning. So I, I was in bed. But I've been watching this one a little bit, and I like how it sort of trended up nicely. I'll look into this more in detail probably an hour and a half before market open as well, but I just want to put out an early video just letting everyone know that what I'd like to see is a potential small retrace and a bounce off 243 where there's a little bit of resistance there. Well, obviously a support for a buy, and it'd be good to see a bounce, maybe 242 or so, and then I'd be concerned if it goes down to below 227 and maybe chase $3. That's what I'm thinking, Sminkin. So yeah, I just wanted to make that quick video. The reason why I didn't really have many other tickers, LBUY, we'll bring that up. I think that's just fizzled out. If we see this, there's low volume, there's just no interest anymore. So it's made the run up, it's crashed, it's sort of petering out. The promotion stuff, and I couldn't really find anything. Another guy. Thank you for commenting. Look, sometimes you just can't find who's promoting it or anything, but obviously it's just general chatter. It's just, chat rooms everywhere and LBUIs. Clearly it was manipulated, because of this. That this is, if something like this happens, who really knows? But, and then the momentum really just faded out, and now it's just boring. So LBUI, I didn't want to mention it. I'm just focusing on the high probability plays. GPRO, I got out of this too early, and then it sort of took off pretty nicely. That's just flat as a tag. I think the majority of it's been done now, so low interest, and that's it. I'm not really going to mention anything else. XXII, I was watching that for a while, and I was posting about it earlier. Like I've even got I do analysis. So what I do is I think it's here. Yeah. So So on the 2nd of August, on the 4th of August, on the 3rd of August, and now again today. So I missed it on the 5th. Because it was a patent day trade issue, so I'll cop that though. That's fine. You learn from those things. You got to be picky, and I wasn't. GPRO, I just sort of saw Tim bring it up, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to take that. And also, guys, I appreciate everyone that checked out, my thoughts on, how to become a more consistently profitable trader. And how it's against human nature, and just some methods that I've used to help improve my performance. It's obviously very marginal, but I was a losing trader in Forex markets, and gradually over time I got better. So for me, I'm not going to be like a really great trader. It's just a little bit of passive income. I've got better at that sort of trading methodology. Now I'm taking it to penny stocking. So, and I'm finding penny stocking, you have to be even more disciplined because things move so quickly. If you're in a hot stock, like if things are happening with it, you've got to be so disciplined and so cautious. So, but anyway, that's what I'm thinking, guys. XXII. I mean, an alternative would be if it does open up stronger and floats around, this resistance area at 253 or so, we might get a minute chart. My head's in the way. So if it gets around here, I think Roland Wolf mentioned he likes to use the 1 minute charts to establish an entry level, and I'm actually really liking that. So 252, guys, there's two possibilities. It has a little retrace and bounces off 243. We go for a little dip buy. Again, though, I want to see multiple attempts and multiple little bounces. So I'm not going to go the first one because it might just crash. Like, who knows? It's gone up quite aggressively. So from the start of Friday's session, and then, or alternatively, it opens up stronger, and then we wait for it to break through 253. All right, so those are my two plans, and ideally I'd be targeting around $3 or so, but I'd probably close out after about 20 to 30 cents. I'm pretty weak. But anyway, guys, that's the watch list. Only the one ticker. I'll be up and about for market open at 9:30 tonight. Thank you for watching. Good luck, everyone, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.